Hi, boys and girls, and welcome to today's math lesson. Let's get started by reading our I can statement. I can add and subtract within 20. So we've been learning how to add and subtract using many different strategies. What we're going to start with is we're going to go over our facts. Okay, let's do zeros first. 0 plus 0 is 0. Good. 0 plus 5 is 5. Nice. 0 plus 2 is 2. Good. 0 plus 1 is 1. Great. 9 plus 0. 9. Awesome. 3 plus 0. 3. Great. 7 plus 0. 7. Great. 0 plus 9. 9. Great. 0 plus 7. 7. Awesome. 8 plus 0. 8. Great. 0 plus 1. 1. 6 plus 0. 6. All right, let's do some ones. 1 plus 3. 4. Good. 1 plus 9. 10. Great. 6 plus 1. 7. Great. 2 plus 1. 3. Great. 3 plus 1. 4. Awesome. 4 plus 1. 5. Great job. 1 plus 5. 6. Great. 7 plus 1. 8. Great job. 8 plus 1. 9. Awesome. 1 plus 8. It's the same thing, but upside down. And it means the same. It means the same thing. It's the same answer. 1 plus 8. 9. Great. 9 plus 1. 10. Great. 1 plus 7. 8. All right, let's move on to twos. 2 plus 4. 6. Awesome. 4 plus 2. 6. Great. 9 plus 2. 11. Yep. 7 plus 2. 9. Great. 6 plus 2. 8. 5 plus 2. 7. 3 plus 2. 5. 1 plus 2. 3. 0 plus 2. 2. 2 plus 9. 11. Remember our strategy if you need to. 9, 10, 11. 2 plus 8. 10. Great. 2 plus 6. 8. Great. 5 plus 2. 7. Great. 2 plus 4. 6. Great. You keep practicing those math facts, okay? You can also go on to Freckle and practice your math facts. That's a great way to do it. All right, I'm going to show a musical with you about what we're learning about. We are going to determine if something is true or false, okay? So let's get started. Oops. Boys and girls, I forgot to share my screen. Let me share my screen real quick. Thank you for your patience. I appreciate it. Let's go back a little bit. There we go.
True or false? Now take some time to think about it. True or false? And tell me what you find. True or false? There's really no debate about it. True or false? Let's do our best to get it right. Okay, let's do some true or false questions. Here we go. 13 is greater than 17. No! False. Jupiter is smaller than Mercury. No! False. Zeta is from a planet far away. Yes! True. Descartes and Newton are friends to stay. Yes! True. Very true. Let's keep going. True or false? Now take some time to think about it. True or false? And tell me what you find. True or false? There's really no debate about it. True or false? Let's do our best to get it right. Okay, let's do some really fun ones now. Let's go. Bananas grow on apple trees. No. False. Pencils are made of cheddar cheese. No. that twice. That's true. Always, buddy. True or false? Now take some time to think about it. True or false? And tell me what you find. True or false? There's really no debate about it. True or false? Let's do our best to get it right. True or false? True or false? And tell me what you find. True or false? There's really no debate about it. True or false? How to do our best to get it right. True or false? Yeah. True or false?
Great. I love that musical. Okay, I am going to introduce you. I'm going to stop presenting my screen. Our friends are going to help us with true or false. So we have two friends, one named Descartes and one named Newton. So we've heard a little bit about them from our musicals and math, but this is Descartes right here. So this is Descartes, and he helps us with math, and so does Newton. So what animal is Descartes? What do you think? That's right, he's a cat. And what about Newton? He's a dog. So these two friends are going to help us determine if something is true or false. Is that right? Yeah, that's right. Okay, let's get started. I'm going to show you what we're going to be doing in Seesaw today. And we are going to do some example problems. And Descartes and Newton are going to help us. I'm going to set them to the side right now. All right, let's get started. I would like you to pull out your pencil and a notebook. And you're going to do this with me. And I'd like to show you something. This picture is a picture of a scale. So it determines, just like this, if something equals each side, if each side equal each other. So say I had 2 blocks on this side and 2 blocks on this side. So I have some blocks inside, if you can see. And it is equal, so it will level out in the middle. If one side is heavier than the other, notice that, it sinks down. But if they're equal, they stay the same level. So that's what these pictures are based off of. And they are using a scale instead of an equal sign. So when you're writing today, I want you to draw an equal sign. And on your Seesaw activity, you can use this picture right here of a scale. So for example, I'm going to just show you an example. So I have 2 over here, and I am going to put 1 plus 1 over here. So there's 2 parts over here, and this is 2. Will 1 plus 1 equal 2? Will 1 plus 1 equal 2? Let's see. I wonder what Newton thinks. I think Newton thinks that they might equal. Let's see. Does 1 plus 1 equal 2? They do. They level out equally. Very good. Okay, what about this? Does 1 plus 1 equal 3? Does 1 plus 1 equal 3? Let's see. I wonder what Descartes thinks. Does 1 plus 1 equal 3? I think he thinks that they don't. Let's see. Oh, 1 plus 1 does not equal 3. There's 3 on that side, and there's 1 plus 1 over here. So these do not equal, right, Descartes? That's right. Okay, let's keep going. So let's go ahead and pull out our notebooks, and we're going to do this together. Okay, so we have 7 plus 7, and feel free to use your counters from your math toolkit if you need to. If you need to pull out 7 plus 7 counters and count them all in total, you absolutely can do that if that is helpful. Okay, so you're going to write 7 plus 7 on one side, and then you're going to write 15 on the other side. Instead of an scale, you're going to put an equal sign. So we're going to see if 7 plus 7 equals 15. I'm going to use counters to do this. You could count on, you could use your number line, you could use many different strategies. So let's do that. Let's pull out 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we're going to add this all together and see if it's true or false, just like our musical said. Let's count all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Ooh! Does 7 plus 7 equal 15? So I put my equal sign here. Does it equal 15? I'm going to put, so I already have my equal sign, but is that true or is that false? That's false. I'm going to put an X through it. It does not equal 15, and I'm going to circle false. 7 plus 7 does not equal 15. Great job. Let's try this one this time. So I have 12. I'd like you to go ahead and write that. 12 plus 6 equals 18. And we're going to determine if that equal sign is true or false. Just because I'm writing an equal sign doesn't mean I think that it equals. We're going to see if it's true or false. So let's count out 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And for this part, I have a couple different colors. And then I'm going to find 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 12. Oh, sorry, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Does 12 plus 6 equal 18? Let's add them all together. I'm going to have my friend Newton help me. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Does it equal 18? It sure does. Yes, that is right. It does. So would I circle true, thumbs up, or thumbs down, false? I would circle true. That's right. So I'm going to leave my equal sign just like that. It is true. Now, on your assignment, you do not need to write your equal sign. I'm only writing my equal sign because you're doing it in your notebook with me. So in your assignment, I'll show you how to do it in your assignment on the second page, okay? Let's do 10 plus 5 now. 10 plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 plus 5. So I have 10 here and 5 here. Let's count them all together and see if 10 plus 5 equals 13. Go ahead and write that in your notebook as well. Feel free to pause the video. 10 plus 5 equals 13. Let's see if that is true or false. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 10 plus 5 is 15. So does 10 plus 5 equal 13? Is that true or false? That is false. Nope, it does not. I'm going to circle false. Now let's do 13 plus 4. So I have 10, 11, 12, 13 plus 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 10 here. They're different colors. Don't mind that. Plus 4 here. I'm going to put them together and add them. Let's do it this way. Let's count all together. I'm going to have Descartes help me with this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Does 13 plus 4 equal 17? Descartes says, yes, it sure does. It sure does. So we are going to write our equal sign. Make sure you write 13 plus 4 equals 17. That is true. That equal sign is true. So, boys and girls, good mathematicians can determine if an equation is true or false, if a number sentence is true or false. So that just means if your two atoms equal your total. Now, let's try our second page. And I am going to do this the way you would do on Seesaw. So I'm just going to use my counters. I could use my number line. I could count on. I could do any of my strategies. I'm going to count on for this one. So I'm going to do 10 plus 4. So I'm going to put the bigger number in my head, 10, and count on 4. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, so my total is 14. Then I'm going to go look, and I'm going to see, okay, 10 plus 4, does it equal 14? That's true. So all I'm going to do is circle true. I don't need to write an equal sign. I don't need to cross out an equal sign. This is how you will do your Seesaw assignment. Let's do this one. 9 plus 3. Let's try the counting on technique. So let's put the bigger number in our head, 9, and count on 3. 9, 10, 11, 12. Is that true or false? True or false? That's false. 9 plus 3 is 12. Let's do this one. We're going to count on, put the bigger number in your head and count on 6, okay? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Does 11 plus 6 equal 17? Is that true or false? Show me. Thumbs up or thumbs down? That is true. That is true, boys and girls. All right, let's do our last one in our notebooks together. So we're going to write our equal sign this time. In your Seesaw assignment, you do not have to draw your equal sign. Let's do that. So 12 plus 4. I'm going to pull out 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. plus 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is one part. Here's another part. Let's put them together and add it all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Does 12 plus 4 equal 16? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Make sure you write that in your notebook. 12 plus 4 equals 16. True, that is true. So you can write true in your notebook. You're going to write T-R-U-E. That is true. Very good job, boys and girls. I am so proud of us and the work we did today. I can't wait to see your activities on Seesaw, and keep up the great work. Bye, boys and girls.